can see here become fade. I don't want it to be so much actually, so I just choose here. Well, it is what you have been created until now. But where there is a hole like this, usually there are much more sharing and shrinkage. So I want to increase this part. I will cut the turbo smooth again while I am in the push. Actually, I need to convert to editable poly again, paste turbo smooth and choose the iteration of the one. When it is the one and isoline this plane is not selected, it is very important, it shouldn't be selected. Again convert it to editable poly. Now paste the turbo smooth, okay. But why we did this? Because I wanted to have more segment here to make more noise and shrinkage. One thing I forgot before we do this, I back to my edit poly. When I apply the push, actually there are some more vertices here. I need to make sure here is just one segment, so I will again weld them, make sure they are all welded and just one segment at the bottom. Okay, back to the here turbo smooth iteration 1 and convert to Calypso. Actually it will Calypso edit mesh. Convert to editable poly. Again paste the turbo smooth. Okay, back here choose the segments which have the connection to the end. Same this, we can see this is connected to the end by this line, but this is not. If you want, you can connect this to the end by cut tool, but I don't want to do this. I just want to create some not actually don't want to create a variety. I want to create same is okay. If you want, you can create in your own way. I select all. As I said, this is maybe such as a looping is all similar, but I don't care as it is just for learning. We don't want to spend so much time. Well, then hit the loop button. I don't want again this outside part. I loop because I want the inside also be selected. The inside part is very important, you must select it. Now that is like this, I will use the extrude very small value, negative minus 1 point minus 0.1 point and 0.1 point is like this. Okay, back to the turbo smooth, and you can see more noise at each hole, but there is still some small problem in here. The reason is because there are more segment in here, so easily just select them and weld them. Okay, I will weld them. Make sure you are not selecting something wrong. Okay, now that we weld them, you will see there is a fadey effect to the out, right? So I will pause the video now and do the same with these three hole. Right, I solved this problem for the other hole, so it is what we create. I stop the isolate because I want to see the situation is here. So this part I want to come out a little bit, FFT 3, and select the center part out. You can also move it a little bit upper. Again, cut it and convert to editable poly or collapse to the same. Paste. Okay, just need some small thing we do on here. Okay, and I back here, select the round shape. This is why we create one extra in the middle loop, and create shape from linear. When I go back here, I will select my line and also paste the turbo smooth here. If you want to see it clearly, I will apply the gray color again. Sometimes you will create, actually I need this a little bit more, maybe 5. There are some line on the surface also. Is your choice. I will create actually them. Back to the, not here, actually back to the edit poly mode. I need to create the center part of this. There are just 4 lines go out from this. These are. Go again and select from the both. Select around and again select around. Loop. I just want this side. Actually I will select the outer part. I don't know which I need. After I create it I will know, so I just loop them. After selecting I will loop, and after the loop I need to deselect the around. I just need it be in the center part. Oh no, I don't deselect them now, just let be selected, and while all the edges from the center of each hole is selected, I will hit the create shape from selection. Okay, linear. Well, this is what I have now. Paste, and I will delete what I don't need now. Very easily, just select and delete. Just want to see, okay, here should be good, and this side and this side. Okay, this is what I wanted to create. Okay, in the next video we will complete this sofa.